To replenish the stock of the added product, you must place an order with the supplier. To order the product from the supplier, click and drop down the inventory field. Click the Stock Control button. The Stock Control page contains a list of all orders you have placed with suppliers. On this page, you can add new products and place orders with suppliers. Search for orders using the quick search and filter, make changes to orders, and delete any if desired. To order a product from a customer, click the Add Product button. To view and select a supplier list, scroll down the list. Select one from the list of suppliers you have added or open the form to add a new supplier by clicking the More button, 3 dots. Fill in the form to add a new supplier with information about the supplier and their company and click the Add Suppliers button. Select the desired supplier from the list. Open your store list and select the store you are placing the order for from the list. If you have multiple stores and want to place an order with a supplier for multiple stores at once, select them. If you want to remove any of the added stores, click the X icon. To select the store where you want your order to be delivered, click and drag the Deliver to field. Select the desired store. To select a delivery date for your order, select the Delivery Date field. Select the desired date on the calendar, this field is optional. Order number must be a unique number that the system will automatically assign. If desired, you can enter the order number yourself. If your supplier provided you with an invoice, you can optionally enter the number in the field. If desired, you can make an additional note in the purchase order. To select an item from the list of products you are ordering from the supplier, click the Product Search field. The full list of products you have added will appear in the drop-down box. You can also search for products by product name or by typing a tag. If you haven't added the product you're ordering yet and want to add it, click the More button, 3 dots. In the Add Product window that appears, fill in the required fields, upload the desired photos, and click the Add Product button to add. Select the desired product from the list and click the plus button to add it to your order. You can add products and order from suppliers without any limit in one order. Each time, select and add another product from the list by clicking the plus button. The products you added will appear below the field. To remove a product from the field, click the Delete icon. To order the desired quantity of an item, click on the Quantity field and enter the desired number. The Retail Price field will automatically be populated with the price set by the supplier that you entered when adding the product. If the supplier has changed the price of the item after adding the product and you want to edit it, highlight the price and enter the appropriate price. If your supplier has offered a discount, click in the Discount Percentage field and enter the discount amount. The Retail Total field will automatically calculate the full price of the order, taking into account the cost of the items and discounts. The subtotal of the product will indicate the full price of the items, taking into account the sum of the unit price and quantity. The Total Discount column will automatically display the discounted amount based on the item's price, the total number of items, and the discount percentage. If you are paying for the shipping of the order, enter the shipping cost in the field. If your order is subject to import duty, enter the duty fee in the field. If you do not pay import costs, leave the number 0 in the field. The Order Total field will display the total amount of the order, including the item price, total price of the number of items, shipping cost, and import cost. To place an order, click the New Purchase Order button. If you would like to make a correction to your order, click the Edit button. Edit the desired field and click the Edit Order button to confirm. You can use the Quick Search filter to search the overall list of orders. Type any word that matches the order or order number in the field, and only the order or orders that match the text will remain in the list. To return to the full list, click the Clear Text button in the filter.